Hello students, welcome all of you. In this video, I Abhay Kumar going to discuss reflection of light, laws of reflection of light and relation between focal length and radius of curvature of a spherical mirror, that is to derive the relation a small f is equal to r upon 2, included in the syllabus of 12th states boards and also in the present syllabus of 12th CBSE board in lecture number 22 of this chapter. First of all, we have to discuss reflection of light. The phenomenon of returning back of a light ray in the same medium after striking or falling on an opaque surface or a non-transparent surface, say mirror, is called reflection of light. Write down this definition. I am repeating again. The phenomenon of returning back of a light ray in the same medium after falling on an opaque surface, say mirror, is called reflection of light. जब कोई लाइट रे किसी ओपेक सरफेस और नॉन ट्रांसपेरेंट सरफेस, अपारदर्शी सतह पृष्ठ जैसे कि मिरर पर इंसिडेंट होती है किसी पॉइंट पर, जैसे कि इस फिगर 1 में लाइट रे एओ इंसिडेंट हुआ है ओपेक सरफेस किसी मिरर M1 M2 के पॉइंट ओ पर, तो दिस पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड पॉइंट ऑफ इंसिडेंस. अब इस पॉइंट पर मिरर के पॉइंट ओ पर लाइट रे एओ के इंसिडेंट होने के बाद लाइट रे उसी मीडियम में जिस मीडियम से लाइट रे आकर इंसिडेंट किया था प्लेन मिरर के पॉइंट ओ पर, तो उसी मीडियम में लाइट रे रिटर्न बैक भी हो गया ओ बी डायरेक्शन में, ओ बी पाथ ओ बी के लॉन्ग. तो इस फेनोमेनन को, इस घटना को रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट कहा जाता है, जिसमें लाइट रे किसी ओपेक सरफेस से और नॉन ट्रांसपेरेंट सरफेस से, अपारदर्शी पृष्ठ से टकराने के बाद उसी मीडियम में वापस लौट जाए, रिटर्न हो जाए, तो इस फेनोमेनन को रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट, प्रकाश का परावर्तन कहा जाता है. इंसिडेंट लाइट रे एओ सपोज किया जाए एओ तथा पॉइंट ऑफ इंसिडेंस ओ, जिस पॉइंट पर नॉन ट्रांसपेरेंट सरफेस और ओपेक सरफेस के जिस पॉइंट पर लाइट आकर इंसिडेंट होता है उस पॉइंट को पॉइंट ऑफ इंसिडेंस कहा जाता है, आपतन बिंदु. इस पॉइंट ऑफ इंसिडेंस पर एक इमेजनरी लाइन, एक इमेजनरी वर्टिकल लाइन ड्रॉन किया जाएगा, सपोज किया जाता है एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस तथा एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन को मालूम करने के लिए. तो द एंगल फाउंड बिटवीन द इंसिडेंट लाइट रे से AO and the normal NO drawn to the point of incidence is called angle of incidence. And angle of incidence आपतन कोण को I संकेत से, I सिंबल से सूचित किया जाता है, जबकि रिफ्लेक्टेड लाइट OB and the normal NO drawn to the point of incidence O, आपतन बिंदु O पर डाला गया लंब NO तथा रिफ्लेक्टेड लाइट, परावर्तित प्रकाश किरण के बीच का जो एंगल है स्मॉल r, यह एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन है. नाउ वी हैव टू डिस्कस लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट. लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट. देयर आर टू लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट. नंबर 1 इज इंसिडेंट लाइट रे, रिफ्लेक्टेड लाइट रे, इंसिडेंट लाइट रे in this figure in this figure 1 is AO and reflected light ray is OB. जो लाइट रे मिरर से, दैट इज नॉन ट्रांसपेरेंट सरफेस से स्ट्राइक करने के बाद इंसिडेंट होने के बाद वो पॉइंट पर रिटर्न बैक हो गया उसी मीडियम में, दैट इज कॉल्ड रिफ्लेक्टेड लाइट, परावर्तित प्रकाश. तो फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन इज इंसिडेंट रे लाइट रे कॉमा रिफ्लेक्टेड लाइट रे एंड द नॉर्मल से NO drawn to the point of incidence is called point of incidence all lie lie in the same plane, that is in the same plane, that is in the plane of board here. In your case, it is plane of paper. Board is also a plane, paper is also a plane. So first law is incident light ray, reflected light ray, and the normal, that is say NO, drawn to the point of incidence O in figure 1, lie in the same plane. And second law of reflection is angle of incidence, that is I, that is angle between the incident light ray and the normal. Angle AON is the angle of incidence in this case, in this figure. So angle of incidence, a small I, is equal to the angle of reflection, that is angle BON in figure 1 is called angle of reflection. Angle of reflection, that is angle between the reflected light OB and normal NO. So angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection, that is a small I is equal to R, and this is called second law of reflection of light. एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस का वैल्यू, एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस का वैल्यू एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन के बराबर होता है, आपतन कोण बराबर परावर्तन कोण. Now we have to derive the formula small f is equal to r upon 2, that is the relation between focal length small f and radius of curvature r of a spherical mirror. First of all, we have to derive this relation, that is a small f is equal to capital R by 2 for a concave mirror. Suppose a light ray coming from infinity, that is from very long distance, which is the incident light ray AB, travels parallel to the principal axis Px of a concave mirror, falls at point B of the mirror, concave mirror, and after reflection travels along BD through the focus capital F of the concave mirror, which lies on the principal axis of the concave mirror. कोई प्रकाश, आपतित प्रकाश, इंसिडेंट लाइट जो कि इन्फिनिटी से प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के पैरेलल आकर इंसिडेंट होता है कॉन्केव मिरर mm डैश के पॉइंट B पर, तथा रिफ्लेक्शन के बाद BD पाथ के अलॉन्ग ट्रेवल करता है कॉन्केव मिरर के फोकस F से होकर, जो कि कॉन्केव मिरर के प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस Px पर लाई करता है, सिचुएटेड है फोकस. That is reflected light BD travels along path BD through the focus capital F of the concave mirror. So CB is the normal, C is the center of curvature of the concave mirror, and when center of curvature is joined to the point B, that is point of incidence, then CB is the normal to the concave mirror at point B. So CB is the normal. So angle between the incident light ray AB is the incident light ray, incident ray. So angle between the incident ray and the normal drawn to the point of incident B is called angle of incidence. So angle ABC is a small I, which is angle of incidence, and angle DBC, that is angle between the reflected light BD and normal CB is angle of reflection, which is a small r. But according to the second law of reflection, angle of incidence a small I is equal to angle of reflection a small r. So suppose angle of incidence a small I equals to angle of incidence r, angle of reflection r, and both are equal according to second law of reflection, and say it is theta. Theta say, let angle of incidence I, a small I, and angle of reflection a small r, both are equal according to second law of reflection. It is second law of reflection. So I is equal to r is equal to theta say. So angle of incidence ABC, angle ABC is theta, and angle of reflection DBC is also theta. So from the geometry, this angle BCP is equal to angle ABC, that is angle of incident, that is also theta, that is the alternate angle from the geometry. So we have write down angle, this angle BCP equals to angle ABC, which is the angle of incidence. Angle of incidence is theta. So this angle BCP will also equal to theta, that is the alternating angle from the geometry, that is theta. Now drawn BN perpendicular on the principal axis. B2 from point B, that is point of incidence of the concave mirror. B कॉन्केव मिरर का पॉइंट ऑफ इंसिडेंस है, जहाँ पर आकर इंसिडेंट लाइट रे ए बी आकर मीट किया है, तो यहाँ से नॉर्मल ड्रॉन किया गया, बी एन ड्रॉन नॉर्मल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस पी एक्स. पी इज द पोल ऑफ द कॉन्केव मिरर एंड थ्रो पोल द हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन पासिंग थ्रू द पोल इज कॉल्ड प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. नाउ दिस एंगल बी एफ पी is the exterior angle. Again from the geometry, if side of a triangle is extended, then the exterior angle BFP is equal to the sum of interior angles, that is, or internal angles, that is BCF plus CBF. Angle CBF is theta, which is the angle of reflection, and it is equal to the angle of incidence I, which is also taken as theta. So this angle and this angle BCP is theta from the geometry, which is the alternate angle. So angle BFP, that is exterior angle, is equal to theta plus theta, that is equal to 2 theta. So BFP, angle BFP, that is exterior angle, is equal to the sum of internal angles, that is theta plus theta, that is 2 theta. Now in the right angle triangle, BN is drawn perpendicular to PX. So in the right angle triangle BNC, in triangle BNC, in the right angle triangle BNC, we have tan theta equals to perpendicular tan theta perpendicular BN upon base NC. If theta is small, then we can take tan theta as theta. So for a small value of theta, tan theta nearly equal to theta. So equation 1, that is tan theta is equal to Bn by Nc, can be written as theta equals to Bn upon Nc, can be written as Pc. Since point N is very close to point P, pole of the concave mirror, so both distances NC and PC will be equal. So in place of NC, we can write PC. चूँकि पॉइंट N जो कि परपेंडिकुलर BN का फुट है, वह पोल कॉन्केव मिरर का पोल के काफ़ी क्लोज है, इसलिए NC डिस्टेंस को हम PC अप्रॉक्सीमेटली नियरली इक्वल टू सपोज कर सकते हैं. सो इन प्लेस ऑफ NC के जगह पर PC लिखा जाए इक्वेशन 1 में, तो NC के जगह PC हो गया, दैट इज BN upon PC is what? PC is the distance between the pole of the concave mirror and center of curvature of the mirror, which is radius of curvature, and according to the new sign convention, this distance is opposite to the direction of incident light. Incident light का डायरेक्शन हमेशा न्यू साइन कन्वेंशन में लेफ्ट टू राइट होता है, लेकिन यह जो डिस्टेंस है PC वह राइट टू लेफ्ट है, सो इट इज अपोजिट टू द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इंसिडेंट लाइट. Therefore this distance PC is called center of curvature of the concave mirror, and this is equal to capital R. So from the sign convention, it is equal to minus R. PC is equal to minus R. Capital R is the radius of curvature of the concave mirror. So we have the relation theta is equal to Bn upon, finally Bn upon minus R. Now in the second triangle, in the small right angle triangle BNF, again using the formula tan 2 theta, it is the exterior angle, BFP is the exterior angle 2 theta. So now in triangle BNF we have tan 2 theta, or if theta is small, then tan 2 theta can be written as 2 theta nearly equal to 2 theta. tan 2 theta की जगह 2 theta लिखा जाए, जो अगर एंगल छोटा हो तो पहले भी हमने अप्रोक्सीमेशन में tan थीटा को थीटा सपोज किया था, तो यहाँ पर भी tan 2 theta इक्वल टू 2 theta इक्वल टू, एंड tan 2 theta इज परपेंडिकुलर BN अपॉन बेस NF, और 2 theta, finally we have 2 theta equals to Bn. Bn is the perpendicular, and NF can be written as PF. Again ड्यू टू द सेम रीजन, समान कारण से कि पॉइंट N P के काफ़ी क्लोज है, इसलिए डिस्टेंस N से F का डिस्टेंस N से F का डिस्टेंस विल अप्रॉक्सीमेटली इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस PF. सो NF इन प्लेस ऑफ NF वी कैन राइट PF. क्योंकि N पॉइंट P के क्लोज है, इसलिए NF डिस्टेंस को हम NF डिस्टेंस को लिखा जा सकता है PF. सो NF इक्वल टू PF. दिस इज इक्वेशन 2. Now using equation number 2, here it is equation number 3. Equation 1 is tan theta is equal to Bn by Nc. So using 2 in equation 3, that is 2 theta is equal to Bn by Bf. In place of theta, in LHS of equation 3, we can write Bn upon minus r from equation 2. So write down using equation 2 in LHS of equation 3. In LHS of equation 3, we have 2 into, we can write 2 theta, 2 into, in place of theta, from equation 2, we can write Bn upon minus r. Equation 2 से theta, equation 3 के LHS में theta के जगह लिखा जाए Bn upon minus r equals to, in RHS is, RHS of equation 3 is, RHS of equation 3 is 2 theta. LHS is 2 into Bn upon r, and RHS of equation 3 is 2 theta is equal to, RHS is Bn upon Pf, and LHS is 2 theta. तो थीटा के जगह इक्वेशन 2 से पुट कर दिया गया Bn अपॉन माइनस आर, एंड RHS ऑफ इक्वेशन 3 इज Bn अपॉन Pf, एंड Pf इज डिस्टेंस बिटवीन पोल एंड फोकस पॉइंट ऑफ द कॉन्केव मिरर. इट इज फोकल लेंथ ऑफ द कॉन्केव मिरर विच इज ऑल्सो निगेटिव अकॉर्डिंग टू द साइन कन्वेंशन. साइन कन्वेंशन से Pf जो डिस्टेंस है या फोकल लेंथ होगा कॉन्केव मिरर का, यह भी निगेटिव होगा, इसलिए कि इंसिडेंट लाइट के डायरेक्शन के, यह भी इंसिडेंट लाइट का डायरेक्शन A टू B है, लेफ्ट टू राइट, और यह डिस्टेंस P टू F राइट टू लेफ्ट है, तो यह फिर निगेटिव होगा. तो Pf इक्वल टू, Pf के जगह माइनस F लिखा जाए. Bn से Bn कैंसिल हो गया दोनों साइड में, माइनस से माइनस भी कैंसिल हो गया. देयरफॉर वी हैव रिलेशन फ्रॉम द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन R इक्वल्स टू 2F. कैपिटल R इक्वल टू 2, कैपिटल R दैट इज रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर इज ट्वाइस टू द फोकल लेंथ, ट्वाइस टू द फोकल लेंथ ऑफ द मिरर. Here spherical mirror is concave mirror. Therefore F equals to R upon 2. This is the required formula. This is the relation between focal point. This is equation number 4, and this is the relation between focal length of the concave mirror and its radius of curvature capital R. So focal length of a concave mirror or a spherical mirror is half to the radius of curvature, F equal to R upon 2, and radius of curvature is twice to the focal length of a spherical mirror. R is equal to 2F, therefore small f is equal to R by 2. Now we have to derive the formula f is equal to, small f is equal to R upon 2 for a convex mirror. Suppose a convex mirror M1 and M2 of radius of curvature capital R and focal length small f and pole capital P. An incident light AB coming from infinity falls at point B of the convex mirror, and after reflection it travels along BD in the same medium. After producing BD in the backward direction virtually, the reflected light will meet at point F, that is which is focus of the convex mirror. AB incident light है जो कि एक कॉन्वेक्स मिरर M1 M2 का प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस एक्स डैश के पैरेलल ट्रेवल कर कॉन्वेक्स मिरर के पॉइंट बी पर इंसिडेंट होता है तथा रिफ्लेक्शन के बाद सेम मीडियम में BD के अलॉन्ग रिटर्न बैक हो जाता है. उसके बाद इस रिफ्लेक्टेड लाइट को जब पीछे की ओर प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है वर्चुअली, तो यह लाइट रे जाकर के मीट करेगा फोकस पर, कॉन्वेक्स मिरर के फोकस पर जाकर मीट करेगा. अब यहाँ पर एंगल ऑफ, यहाँ पर C इज द सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर ऑफ द कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. तो सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर कॉन्वेक्स मिरर का सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर से पॉइंट ऑफ इंसिडेंस B को ज्वाइन करने वाला जो लाइन होगा CB, तो CB नॉर्मल होगा स्फेरिकल मिरर कॉन्वेक्स मिरर M1 M2 के पॉइंट B पर. देयरफॉर angle between the incident light ray AB and normal BK. Normal CB is produced in the first medium where light is incident on the convex mirror at point B. So angle between the incident light ray AB, which is parallel to the principal axis, and normal BK is the angle of incidence, a small I, while the angle between the reflected light ray BD and the normal BK is a small r. And from second law of reflection of light, angle of incidence, a small I, is equal to a small r, angle of reflection, a small r. So in this case also, angle of incidence, that is ABK, equals to angle of reflection DBK. Both are equal. So let us suppose angle ABK, that is angle of incidence, is equal to angle DBK, angle of reflection, equal to theta. Both angles are equal according to the second law of reflection. Now drawn BN perpendicular to the principal axis XX dash of the convex mirror. So BN is perpendicular to the principal axis XX dash. Now using the geometry, we have this angle, angle FBC is equal to theta, which is equal to the angle of reflection DBK from the geometry, that is the opposite angle. This angle CBF is equal to the incident is equal to the angle of reflection DBK, which is also equal to theta. This angle, since angle of reflection is theta, so this angle CBF will also equal to theta, which is the opposite angle. And angle BCP is equal to angle ABK, which is the angle of incidence theta, which is also equal to theta. This is the corresponding angle. So the exterior angle, that is exterior angle BFP is sum of internal angles theta plus theta, that is 2 theta. So internal angle BCP is equal to, which is the corresponding angle, which is equal to angle of incidence ABK equals to theta, and the exterior angle BFP is equal to sum of the internal angles theta, that is angle FBC plus BCF, that is theta plus theta from the geometry, which is equal to 2 theta. So now in triangle, in the right angle triangle BNC, in triangle BNC we have tan theta, and it is approximately equal to theta, since theta is, if theta is small, and it is equal to perpendicular BN upon base NC, and NC is equal to PC, since point N is close to P, क्योंकि पॉइंट N जो कि परपेंडिकुलर का फुट है वह पोल कन्वेक्स मिरर का पोल के क्लोज है, इसलिए NC डिस्टेंस PC डिस्टेंस के इक्वल होगा. Therefore theta is equal to tan theta nearly equal to theta for a small value of theta. Theta is equal to Bn upon PC, and PC is distance between pole. PC is the radius of curvature which is the distance between pole of the convex mirror and its center of curvature, which is radius of curvature, but it is positive. In case of convex mirror, PC is positive because it is along the direction of incident light, that is AB, that is direction of AB, which is from left to right. So it is plus R, and this is equation number 1. Now in the second right angle triangle BNF, now in triangle, in the right angle triangle BNF, we have tan 2 theta, and it may be equal to, nearly equal to 2 theta if theta is small, and it is tan theta. Formula of tan is perpendicular upon base, that is perpendicular Bn upon NC, Bn upon NC, and NC is equal to, again point N is very close to P, using the same logic, so NC will equal to PC. So in place of NC we can write Bn upon PC, and PC is equal to in triangle 2 theta, it is Bn upon perpendicular Bn upon Nf, not Nc, it is Nf, sorry, and Nf will equal to Pf, and Pf is the focal length of the convex mirror. So we can write in place of Pf a small f plus a small f, because focal length of the convex mirror is also positive, because it is along the direction of incident light, that is from left to right, that is from pole towards right direction, that is Pf, that is Pn upon Pf is in place of Nf we have written Pf. So Pf is the focal length of the convex mirror, which is a small f. This is equation number 2. Now using equation 1 in equation 2 in place of theta, in LHS of equation 2, that is 2 theta, in place of theta we can write Bn upon R. So we have, now we have using equation 1 in LHS of equation 2, using equation 1 in LHS of equation 2, we have LHS of equation 2 is 2 theta in place of tan 2 theta. For a small angle of theta, we have written tan 2 theta is equal to 2 theta. So 2 LHS is 2 theta, and theta from equation 1 is Bn upon plus R. So 2 into Bn upon plus R equals to RHS of equation 2 is Bn upon plus F. Bn upon plus F. RHS is equation 2 is Bn upon plus F. LHS is 2 theta. In place of theta, we have written theta is equal to Bn upon plus R from equation 1. Bn and Bn in the numerator of both sides will cancel out. So we have, after cross multiplication, we have R equals to 2 multiplied by F, that is R is equal to 2F, that is radius of curvature of a spherical mirror is twice to the focal length of the convex mirror, that is a spherical mirror. Therefore F equals to R by 2, and this is the that is focal length of the convex mirror is half to the that of the radius of curvature, and this is the required relation. This gives the relation between focal length and radius of curvature of a convex mirror, that is a spherical mirror. So again, focal length of the convex mirror is half to the radius of curvature, and this is the final result. Now this video is concluded. Thank you very much.